Okay, we'll see here today next lesson for grade 11, geometric progressions, or short form I said GP. Write the heading geometric progression, the first video of this lesson. Already I published 10 YouTube videos under the graph sections. Those are newcomers, please subscribe and press the bell sign. Then you will receive automatically all these my videos. Okay, we'll see what you mean the GP or geometric progressions. That was a big problem in the exam. You learned the grade 10 maths arithmetic series or arithmetic progressions. We call AP. This is GP. Together combined, there's a problem final 10 marks question. Completely into part AP, second part GP, or both combined. 10 marks questions available. See, what do you mean geometric progression? See, for example, 2, I multiply 2 by 3, 6, multiply 3, 18, multiply 3, 54. This is a geometric series. And example 5, multiply 4, 20, multiply 4, 80, multiply 4, 320. And example, half, multiple by another half, 1/4, multiple by another half, that means below multiply 2, 1/8, 1/16. Are these some examples of geometric series or geometric progressions? So what do you mean GP, geometric progression, it becomes like a multiplication, multiplied by a common number. You learn the grade 10 arithmetic series, there is addition. By added by a common number, that pattern we called arithmetic series or arithmetic progression. Here now geometric progression or geometric series, multiple by a common number. Some example, right? So here multiply 3, multiply 3, multiply 3. That 3 we called common ratio. In arithmetic series you call what? Common difference, D. Common difference. Here we call R, common ratio, right? Here common ratio is 3 because multiply 3. Here what? Multiply 4, multiple by 4. Therefore common ratio 4. Here half, quarter, 1/8, multiply half, so common ratio is half. So before go to the GP problem, some ideas you need how to show a geometric pattern, geometric series pattern, and what are the terms we used. Here you know first term is 2, first term is 5, first term is half, and here common ratios also. Okay, now I show the first, write this. General form of a GP, general form of a GP, short form GP, right? Geometric progressions, general form of a GP. See what the general form of a GP is. Consider A, like a first term, A. This A multiplied by R, A multiplied by R, that is AR. This AR multiplied by another R, what is that? R into R square. Next, multiple another R, AR power 3, AR power 4, and so on, right? Copy this. This is the general form of a GP, geometric series, general pattern, right? AR square, and so on. It's continuous. First term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term AR cube, fifth term AR power 4, and 100th term how? AR to the power, not 100, 99. 100th term, AR to the power 99. Identify the pattern, 1 less power, 1 less. 20th term how? AR to the power 19. AR 40. Which term is this? 41st term, right? So copy this and write below where A, this A we call first term, A is first term, right? And R, common ratio, right? So you compare, recollect how you learned the arithmetic series, same terms we use here, the letters only different, same idea we used here. A is first term, they are also A first term. There we call D is common difference, that means successive different. Here ratio R, successive division, right? Common ratio. And right below, nth term of a GP. Nth term of a GP. Nth term of a GP. That means geometric progression. What is nth term? What do you mean nth term? Generally, general term. You learn in the grade that arithmetic series. What the nth term? Tn equal a plus n minus into d. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. The same we see what is the common term or nth term of a GP. First term is a, second term AR, third term AR square, 1 less, power 1 less, 10th term AR power 9, 1 less. So here Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. Remember that Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. That's the nth term formula of a geometric series. Right below where Tn, what is Tn? It stands for nth term, right? That nth term. Where Tn, nth term. So say T6, sixth term. T20, this is that cricket match. T20 cricket match. The 20th term, 20 comes down like here. 20th term, T20. Tn is nth term. So you know what is A, you know what is R. N, right? N. What is N? Number of terms, right? N is number of terms. Identify the difference. Tn is different, N is different. Tn means nth term, N is number of terms. Okay, now we see some questions here, basic problem, how to find the common ratio problems. So, write this question. Find the common ratio of the following geometric progressions. Find the common ratio of the following geometric progressions. Simple basic problem. See 3, 6, 12, 24, next 5, 25, 125, 625, and so on. Find the common ratios of the following geometric progressions. Okay, so this is how to work. How you learn in the arithmetic series common difference, successive difference, subtract. Second term subtract by the first. Third term subtract from the second. Then we can find the common difference. Here divide, right? So first part R equal, what is common ratio? 6 divided by 3 or 12 divided by 6. Or 24 divided by 12. So the answer is 2. Common ratio is 2, which is multiplied by 2. Very clear. It's the method any behind term divide by its previous, right? See 5, 25, 125 and so on. So common ratio R. How that R? 25 divided by 5, that is 5. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Common ratio. You take any behind, divide by its previous number. So how this one? 1 comma 2x comma 4x square comma 8x cubed. Easy if I take 2x divide by 1. What is 2x divided by 1? That is 2x. That is 2x, right? That's the common ratio there. Next one, minus 3 comma 6 comma minus 12 comma 24 and so on. So what is common ratio? Take the behind number 6 divide by minus 3 minus 2, right? It's the method how to find the common ratio of a given geometric progressions. Fifth one, 1 over 3, comma 1 over 9, comma 1 over 27. So common ratio R equal. What the method? Take behind 1 over 9. Here there's a fraction, therefore I show the symbol of division. 1 over 3. 1 over 9 divide by 1 over 3 and get the value. So what is that? 1 over 9 division, make it multiple, and 3 up 1 down, reciprocal. So got this 1 over 3, no? The common ratio here 1 over 3. How this one? Last question, root 2 square root 2 comma 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4. What the common ratio? How it's multiplied? By which number? What the number? So what is R? Here easy, you take this pair. Take this both, that is 2 square root 2 divide by 2. That is easy, then we cut this 2 here. So square root 2. That's the common ratio. Or 2 divided by root 2. 2 divided by root 2. So if you know the indices, rules, bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. Here power is 1. What is square root 2? That is 2 to the power half. 2 to the power half. 2 power half. That also we can simplify, bases are same, subtract the power, 1 minus half is half. So answer 2 to the power half, or otherwise square root 2. So any mode you can use. So I hope you know how to calculate the common ratio for a given geometric series, right? That is one of the part in O-level part 1 type 2 marks. They will provide the series and write the common ratios of that. Okay, then I show some more problems. So still we learn only one formula. Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. Right. Okay. Right, second question. Second problem. First one I said to find the common ratio, that type problem. Now write this second question. Find the denoted term. Find the denoted term. Find the denoted term in the geometric progressions given below. In the geometric progressions given below. Find the denoted term in the geometric progressions given below. Right, first one, 12, comma 6, comma 3, and so on. So the denote is T5. T5, right? T5. That means we find the fifth term of this series. What is the fifth term of this pattern, right? So you can find how it's happened, how it's multiple, how it's divided, you can guess the answer. But we use the formula, always use the formula and find the answer. So when you're answering a GP problem, first you write the first term, A equal, what is A equal 12. Next find the common ratio, what is R equal. As earlier I said, what is R equal? Take the behind number, divide by its previous. So here I take 3, divide by 6. What is 3 divide by 6? You can say that half. Common ratio is half. First term is 12, common ratio is half. So find the fifth term. Now we write the nth term formula. Tn equal. See reference, pause to stop the video and see I said the formula of the nth term. Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. AR to the power n minus 1. Nth term formula. And now you substitute. Very easy chapter. Very easy, clear, this type of question. Not hard, very simple question. Only one formula there. You will substitute the A, substitute the R, find the answer. So A for 12 into R. What is R? Common ratio is half. To the power, we need a T5, fifth term. 5. That's all, is the answer. Up to now only grade 11 or O-level syllabus. Here after you pass, simplify and get the value of this. So 12 into, but is completely power 5. Here, this geometric progression, you need good knowledge of the indices, right? So 1 to the power 5 is 1. 2 to the power 5, what is 2 into 2 into 2? 5 times multiple, 32. Okay, 32. And try to simplify by what? 4. 3 times, here 8 times. So the answer is okay, 4. 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 32. So if in order, if you go like this, a decreasing series is decreasing. It's multiplied by half. Multiple by half or divide by 2 series, right? So the answer 3 over 8 in order, the fifth term of that GP. You see another question, my second type on that Roman number 2, 1, 2, 4, 8 and up to question denote term T7. Find the seventh term of this progression. So follow the same method. When answering a series question, first term is important. If it's arithmetic series, common difference important. Without that, no problem there. So similar here, write the first term. Write the common ratio. So here A equal 1 and common ratio R. How to find the common ratio? The behind term divide by the first. So 2 divide by 1, that is 2. Common ratio is 2. First term is 1, common ratio is 2. Question is find the seventh term. So you can multiply 2, you can guess the answer. It's a primary work. We use that formula type and collect it. So now write the nth term formula. AR to the power n minus 1. Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. So now substitute. Question is find the seventh term. So A for 1. R, what is R2? Power n for 7 minus 1. Now simplify. So here 1 times anything is 1, so 1 times 2, 7 minus 1 is 6. So what is the answer? 2 into multiple 6 times 64. Don't say 12, not 2 multiplied by 6, 2 multiple 6 times. So that question, 7th term is 64. So next time the question number 3, 9, 3, 1 and so on. Find the 8th term. So you can work, try on the same method, follow. Find the 8th term in this third question. We write A, first term. First term is 9, what is common ratio? You take any behind, divide by its previous, right? So I take 1 divide by 3 or 3 divide by 9. Same answer, 1/3. Common ratio 1/3. So find the 8th term of this progression. Write the nth term formula. AR to the power n minus 1. Always now follow the formula and substitute. Then only familiar with the formula. Tn formula A plus n minus into D. They are in arithmetic series. Here geometry. Don't confuse, don't mix both. That is for AP, is for GP. So what is 8th term? T8. 8th term is A is 9. Common ratio 1/3 to the power 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. Now simply that's all. That's all geometric part, geometric series part. Hereafter your knowledge of simplifying the fractions in this work completed. 9 multiple, what is this? 1/3 to the power 8 minus 1 is 7. So therefore, I can write 9 as 3 square. 3 square multiple 1 to the power 7 is 1. 3 to the power 7. That's why I mark this 9 as 3 square. Always use some simple method of simplifying. Now use the integers rule. Up and down, numerator, denominator. When divide, subtract the power. So what the answer? 1 over, below is the largest power of 3, 7. When bases are same, subtract the power. 7 minus 2, then 5. 1 over 3 to the power 5. Give the answer. What is 3, 5 times? 3 times 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. So answer 1 over 243. If you go this order, it's also decreasing series. So somewhere 8th position, 1 over 243 available. See next question, 27, 18, 12, find the 6th term. So here first term is 27. What is common ratio? 18 divided by 27. take behind, divide its previous. Can I cut this by 9? 2/3. Common ratio 2/3. Question is find the sixth term. Write the formula. Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. Nth term formula. So what is that? Tn for 6. A is 27 multiple R is 2/3, right? 2/3 power n for 6 minus 1. Now simplify, get the answer. So that 27 multiple 2/3, 6 minus 1 is 5. So also I can change the 27 is what? 3 to the power 3. Yes, see, completely power 5 means 2 belongs that 5. 2 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. So what is that? Can cut this, simplify. Bases are same. When dividing, subtract the power. But it's 2 to the power 5. 2 into 2 into 5 times. If you once you show, don't forget, quickly mark the value. 32. Here what is that? 3 square. 3 square, right? That is 9. So 32/9 is the value. So here it's enough. You can give as a mixed fraction, or there is no matter, right? If you go in order, sixth value is 32/9. Next question, 3/8, 3/4, 1.5. Find the T5. Find the fifth term. So this fractions pattern, any decimals or negative or positive integer, whatever it is, you're able to answer if you took that clearly concept of the GP and the common ratio ideas. So here what is A is 3/8, A is 3/8. What is common ratio? I take 3/4 divide by previous 3/8. So what that R equal 3/4. Divide means multiple, reciprocal. So C2, answer is 2. So always follow the method and get it, then it's very safe. Sometimes you had a mistakes or any problem, difficult to get the other part. So properly show the way how to calculate the ratio and find it. So now we go to the fifth term, find the fifth term. So if you are clear, you can minimize that step. What is fifth term? Very first, go through and see the pattern. I said pattern of the GP. First term is A, second term AR, third term AR cube, fourth term AR power 4, 10th term AR power 9. Fifth term how? AR to the power 4. So after many questions, you can minimize that step. You can write the formula in term, Tn equal AR power n minus 1, or no matter if you say this part. Now apply the value. So A for 3/8 into R is 2 to the power 4. R is 2 to the power 4. Now we simplify. 3 over 8. What is 2 to the power 4? 2 into 16. So cut the 8 here twice. So 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, fifth term is 6. Next question, 75, minus 30, 12. Find the fourth term. That means other term, the fourth, only one. Therefore, if you know the common ratio enough, no? If you know the common ratio enough to find the other term, multiple. So better find the common ratio, not need the formula here. Because only the fourth term. What is common ratio? Minus 30 divided by 75. Behind divide this. Cut by what? 15, cut by 15. So minus 2 over 5 times. Therefore this series multiple by minus 2 over 5. So what is fourth term of this series? This pattern. First term, second term, third, other term, no? So multiple by that. So 12 multiplied by what? Minus 2 over 5. So multiple minus 24 over 5. Some type of question, the GP. Very first I shown how to find the common ratios. Here the particular term is given. You have to calculate by using the formula Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1.